everyone, welcome back to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel. My name is Rachel, aka UKafrolista, and today I'll be showing you how I created this glam Christmas party New Year's Eve look using some new products from Makeup Obsession. There are 3 new Feels 3D Universal Highlighters, 3 new Feels Universal Lip Toppers. If you want to see how I use them in today's video, make sure you stay tuned. Available to purchase right now at revolutionbeauty.com and will be available in Boots from the 20th of November. All the products I use in today's video will be down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out so you can get yours too. Let's get into today's video. I'm going to start with my eyes first because that's going to have the most going on. I'm going to bring you in a bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to do my eyes. I'm using the Makeup Obsession Feels Shadow Palette. I love about this palette, it has so many different shades and tones of golds and brown and like bronze. There's a few pinks in there, but we're not going to do pink today. We're going to focus on the browns and the golden tones because the dress that I'm wearing has that kind of bronze gold glitter shimmer to it. So those are the colours that we're going to concentrate on today. First I'm going to prep my eyes using the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal in the shade 14, and this is just going to make the colours pop a bit brighter on my lids. I'm starting with the colour Whoa and I'm just going to place this all over the lids just to give it like a neutral colour, and it's very close to my lid shade anyway, so just to give it a bit of a neutral tone. And then I'm going to move on to the colour Slay and put this in my crease, but more towards the outer corner of the crease. Then I'm going to go in with the shade No Way, and this is a dark brown, mainly on the outer corner, so kind of giving it a smoky effect. So now that's giving me kind of a smoky outer corner eye. I'm now going to move on to the shimmer and the glitter and the sparkle, because that's really what we're looking for when it comes to a party Christmas New Year's Eve look. I'm going to start off by using the colour As If, and it's a darker shimmer in this palette. I'm going to pat it just all over the lid, focusing more on the centre and blending it in with that smoky outer corner. And then I'm going to take the colour Feels. So I'm going to add the colour Feels on the inner third of my eye, really patting that in. And then I'm just going to slightly blur the 2 colours together so there's no harsh line. And just make sure everything's a bit more seamless. So I haven't finished my eyes. I'm going to do the base with my foundation, concealer, and then come back to my eyes and smoke out the bottom waterline and add some more glitter using just my fingers. So I'm going to do that right now. I've applied my foundation. I'm now going to use the Mega Conceal concealer in the shade 14 just to conceal and brighten under my eyes. I'm also going to use the Mega Conceal concealer in the shades 16 and 17 to contour and bronze. I'm then going to use the Makeup Obsession Pure Bake Banana Powder Baking Powder. So usually I don't let my under eye powder bake. I just press it into the skin. But because we're using glitter today, I'm going to apply just a little bit more to bake so that when I finish my eye look, I can just dust away the glitter that may fall out from the eyeshadow. I'm just making sure that this is set first, and then I'll just apply a little excess like this. So when it comes to dusting it off, it will just brush off easily. Back to the eyes. I'm now going to use the colour No Way and just smoke the under eye area. So it makes my eyes a bit more defined because we kind of want all of the attention to be on the eyes. And I'm going to add some more shimmer and glitter to this look, just using my fingers, because one thing I love about this palette is when you use your fingers you get more pigment and you get more shimmer. So I'm just going to use a mix of Buzzin', Amaze, and oh my gosh. I'm going to bring you in a bit closer as well so you can see how they look on my eyes. First I'm going to use the colour Buzzing. And I'm going to apply this just in the center so it creates a kind of halo look. Then I'm going to apply the shade OMG just on the inner corners. So this is going to be a bit hard because I've got long nails, but we're going to make it work. So just kind of on the inner third of the eye. Then I'm going to take a brush and apply the colour Emosh just on the inner corners here because I can't reach there with my nails. The brush and lightly swipe across so everything is blended a bit more seamlessly and all the glitters get to just kind of blend in together. Dust off this excess powder, and I'm just going to do my brows really quick because the brows are going to make or break this eye look. I'm going to do my brows using Makeup Obsession's Brow Goals in the shade Dark Brown, and the way that I like to do my brows, I like them to be quite thick and bushy and natural. So using the spoolie end, I'm just going to brush them up. Then I'm going to lightly draw a line for the shape that I want to create, and then going across my brows I'm going to do light hair strokes. Remember, your brows are not sisters, they're not twins, they are long distance cousins. So they look a bit similar, but they're very different. Now I have eyelash extensions, so I'm just going to brush through my lashes as I don't need to put on any mascara. So I'm just going to brush through them and shape them. Now moving on to highlighter. There are 3 new highlighters. These are the Feels 3D Universal Highlighter, and you have the shades Iced, Boss and 24K. I'm going to use 24K to highlight today because I'm feeling very rich. So for me, the key to getting like ultimate pop and shine with highlighter is to set your makeup first using a setting spray. I'm going to use the Makeup Obsession Dewy Fix Dewy Makeup Fixing Spray, and I'm just going to spray my face just to set everything in place. But while it's still a bit damp, I'm going to apply my highlighter, and it just makes the colour pop a bit more. Also, while your face is damp, it helps you know where to highlight. So you highlight the high points of your face. So anything that's kind of glowy or shiny on my face while it's damp is where I'm going to highlight, because that is where it's going to reflect off the skin. And I like my highlighter to be visible but also quite subtle. I don't want it to be too in your face. I want it to be like when the light hits it, it just gives you a nice bounce and pop of gold and shimmer and all of that stuff. Moving on to lips, I'm going to use the shade Everlasting, which is one of Makeup Obsession's lip glosses and one of my favourites. Now to take this lip look to the next level, I'm going to use a mixture of the new Makeup Obsession Feels Universal Lip Toppers, and they come in 3 shades: Dreams, Oh My and On Point. I'm going to use a mix of On Point and Oh My, and it has like a nice bronzy shimmer to it. And because my dress has mostly bronze in it, and that's why I chose this colour. You see how it reflects? So pretty. Put On Point just in the centre of my lips, and this is going to help to see how full it looks. Just to make it look slightly fuller, because I don't need my lips to look full, but just to make a little more fullness to the lips. That's a trick of just placing a highlight colour or lip gloss in the centre of your lips, so all the light comes there and it makes your lips look fuller. So that's the final look, my party, New Year's Eve, Christmas glam look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, before you go, make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up and you are subscribed to Makeup Obsession's YouTube channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never ever miss a video from us. The products that I use in today's video will be in the description box down below, so definitely check that out so you can get yours as well. I hope you have an amazing New Year's, Christmas party season, and I look forward to seeing you in 2020. I'm so excited. So until next time, bye.